Welcome everybody. I want to take you through a quick onboarding tutorial. So we just went ahead and registered with an account. And then here, what you're going to do is select your plan. So the Essential plan offers 25 prompts, 250 pages, 200 prompts, 10,000 pages, etc. Click Select Plan. We'll just select the free plan to get started. And then in just a second, it's going to ask you to upload some files. So in order to get started, it's important that you drag and drop some files because Alani is really not that useful unless you have data. So we're going to drag these files in, click continue. But before I continue, there are different file types that you can add. These are PDFs, but you could add YouTube videos, audio files, and images as well. All right, so it may take a moment for this to upload. And then what's happening is we're processing all the data in the background. And before I show you this here, what I want to do is show you where the data lives. So it's inside of this new bundle that automatically got created. So you can see the files here. Okay, so it says chatting with new bundle in research mode. There's two different modes, research and writing mode, and then the 7 different models here. We keep GPT-4o as the default. So here I'll say, I know that these files are ESG related and tech related, so I'll say something along the lines of, so in just a second, we'll get a response. And then you'll see that the response has citations, and these citations link to individual pages within the documents. So you can see here, there are the 3 different files. It's giving me an overview of each file independently. And then here are the citations. So that's research mode. You can continue to ask more and more probing questions. But in writing mode, it's only taking the thread here as the context window, and you can create new content with it. So I'll say something like, so again, in writing mode, it's just taking this context thread as part of it, as part of the context window versus going into the data set. All right, here we go. So that's the output. You can create blog posts, you can create all kinds of content in writing mode. And then if you want to switch back to research mode, just click on this, and then that'll go back into the bundle of data and start extracting more insights for you. So that's kind of the gist of it. If you want to add more data, there's an ingestion engine over here. So you can add more and more data. We just added HTML Markdown as a new file type. And then if you want to add more bundles, you click into your workspaces, create new bundle, and then over here is the marketplace. So this is where you can access all of the pre-built bundles that are available to you. So you can click into Naval, for instance, and then subscribe to that data set. And then now I can start chatting with Naval here. And this is kind of like an information app store, so to speak. But it goes beyond, I guess, just a typical chatbot because it's grounded in a knowledge base. So here you go. So you can actually see what the response looks like, but then you can also see where it's coming from. So if I click on this, it'll actually take me to that
Very much like before
that
you
section in the video that's talking about the angel philosopher. And then to go back, go here, new thread, and you can start chatting with your data again. Awesome. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, as always, please reach out to us. hello@bundleiq.com. Cheers.